Oh, okay.
Just like the women in my life in high school and college and law school that, you know, have been with me through it all, fight through it all, have kids, families, big careers.
I wanted to go to law school. I knew I wanted to go to law school. And I entered into an internship at the Atlantic County Court. And I was placed into the family law division because initially I wanted to either do family law or criminal law, and I did try criminal law. And this is my introduction to family law. I was placed in the intake department for the family court. And I worked under Judge Valerie Armstrong, who is now retired, a lovely person and a wonderful judge and a wonderful mentor. And I've told her this in the past, Judge Armstrong is truly the reason I did go to law school. When I would sit in her courtroom and I watched her help families and make decisions for little babies who couldn't speak for themselves, I thought, maybe that is for me. Didn't really know if I wanted to be a judge, but I knew I wanted to make a difference through the legal system. So I have to say kudos to Judge Armstrong, and thank you, Judge Armstrong, because she did make a huge impression on me in my earlier years, and I think she was the driving force really behind me going to law school.
One of my early inspirations in my legal career was my college mentor, Karen Lee. Karen was the coach for the Columbia University dance team, but she was also a practicing attorney, and she really inspired me to understand what it was like to have a legal career, even though I was still in college at that point. And we remained in close touch for many years, still now keeping in touch, but talking me through what the process of going to law school was going to be like and starting out in my career. And it meant so much to have someone like her talking to me, explaining things to me, and being a woman whose footsteps I could follow to build the career I have now.
I think my parents, I've been thinking about this a lot. It's funny, I think it's so unfair to just as a woman say that women are our only, have pushed us. Like in my life, both my parents did, and to me, the biggest feminists in my life are both my mom and my dad, and there's just this weird idea that men can't be feminists, and having my dad tell me as a woman that I can do anything I wanted to, better than the boys, better than my brothers, really pushed me to go into a male-dominated field to prove the rest of the men that didn't believe that wrong. Like he's, to me, I mean, my mom is the person, but my dad being so, you're a woman, who cares that you're a woman? It doesn't matter, what you are, it matters what's inside, and, that he was, they were the ones that pushed me. So can I say something like that? That wasn't.